What's up, what's up, what's up, everybody? Today is February the 25th, the 25th of February, and I'm here to do another unboxing. But let's go, let me see. There we go. I am here to do another unboxing. And with the unboxing, I'm gonna, it's some stuff that I already know kind of what they are. But I'm trying to get stuff set up so my stuff can run smoother. So that's what it pretty much is. But definitely appreciate everybody who come by and look at this, leave a comments and all that stuff, because I definitely appreciate it. And I will be dropping this later today. So let's get to it. So like I say, make sure you get one of these. It's easy to it's easy to open up the boxes, and you won't cut yourself with this right here. So that's how we're gonna do it. Let's see what's in box number 1. Okay. It is some wireless VR earbuds. And it's a made for Meta. And because I've been trying to do every now and then, I've been trying to do a little bit more Oculus now, because I want people to see what's going on the Oculus as well. I don't play as much, but when I do get on there, I want people to hear me and I can hear them all right. So I got some Soundcore wireless VR earbuds. It's a VR P10. So, and I know Deaf Mage Javon. Deaf Mage Javon is the main one. She's more of the tech, because she's more like Geek Squad as well. So I know she the one requested these. So they're supposed to help out so people could hear, so I can hear, I guess. And maybe it might have a mic. I don't know. Well, it said it's wireless. It is compatible with the USB is pass-through charge donor stimulation, Bluetooth and donor connection. So it's wireless. That's what I like about it. It's wireless. I don't need nothing to hook it up, hook it into so I can listen to it. It just be in my ear. Hopefully it fit my ear, because I have some small ears. But so this is my first unbox. This right here, the wireless VR earbuds. And then let's go to box number 2. Box number 2, what it do though? Let me see, yeah. Box number 2, what it do though? Box number 2, what it do? Normally other people be opening it up so you can see another thing of it. But I ain't gonna do that. Okay, this one is a wireless Lavalier Microphone. And this one is, I got this one so when I be going on my laptop, when I be streaming on my lab stream, I want to be able so I can do my workout and y'all still hear me okay. So that's the reason why I got this. It's another investment, These two things are investment where I can use down the line. Something that I'm not going to get rid of. So let me show you. This is a wireless lapel microphone. And it got discount on there. It's for Type C. Type C is for more than just iPhone. So it'll have I'll put that on there so you can see it. So plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception. That's not that far though. But, it's precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, and widely compatible. So we're gonna see how this one is. I tried the other one that was a little bit expensive, but it wouldn't work on my. It wouldn't work. So I turned it in, and I got me a cheaper one to see if how this one do. If this one don't work, I might have sent it one back too. Because I don't really need it for. I could use it for my phone, but I don't really be using that stuff for my phone. So, but we see it's supposed to have oh, this thing slides open. So it got the 2 mics and stuff like that. Got the mics. Plug this in. And I could just it support 1 or 2. That's cool. It said 101, 1 or 2, 1 to 2. So I guess I could support two different mics and have 2 different mics in 2 different areas, which is cool. So it said it's good for live shows, interviews, and vlog short videos. So that's cool. You know what I mean? Especially I want it for live shows, and I didn't really think about doing it for like interviews and vlogging. So that means if somebody else get on here, they want to do it with me, I can get them the other mic, and they can have the mic hooked up to them, and I have mine hooked up, and you still should be able to hear both of us clearly. So we definitely gonna look and see how this one play out. Hopefully we get this to go working, and we're gonna hold it down. But that's as y'all can see, my 2 open box for today are both wireless VR earbuds and wireless lapel microphone. So, and both of them is definitely for me to be doing the streaming stuff for my lives and stuff like that, because I definitely want people to understand and hear me and everything. So and then also for me to hear you, you know. So with that being said, that is what I have for my open box unboxing for this day. So remember, whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, on moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, because you know I'll be dropping a short or a video. Pretty much still going on, right? So with that being said, remember, I like to say fitness is key and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Peace out.